Hey fam, today we're talking about 5 authentic ways to make money online in 2024. With that being said, let's begin.
Content monetization.
First up, let's talk about content monetization. Whether you're a blogger, a vlogger, or also a social media influencer, platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and also Patreon offers fantastic opportunities to monetize your content. From ad revenues to sponsorships to fan subscriptions, there are a wealth of ways to turn your passion into profits.
Freelancing.
Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. All platforms mentioned above actually connect skilled individuals with clients seeking everything from graphics design, copywriting to virtual assistants, and even a lot. With a bit of hustle and solid portfolio, you can land gigs not only to pay you well, but also to allow you to work on projects you are truly passionate about.
E-commerce.
Now let's talk about e-commerce. Thanks to platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon, launching your own online store has never been easier. Whether you are selling handmade crafts, dropshipping trendy products, or even creating your own line of merchandise, e-commerce offers limitless potentials of generating passive income.
Online courses and digital products.
Another fantastic way to make money online is by creating or selling courses or digital products. Whether you're an expert in photography, coding, or even cooking, or anything in between, platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Gumroad provides a platform to share your knowledge and expertise to the world while earning a handsome income in the process.
Affiliate marketing.
Lastly, but certainly not least, we have affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services through unique affiliate links or promo code, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your referrals. From niche blogs to social media posts, affiliate marketing offers a flexible or lucrative ways to monetize your online presence. And there you have it, 5 authentic ways to make money online, whether you're looking to supplement your income or to turn your own passion into full-fledged career. The internet offers endless opportunities to entrepreneurial spirits like us. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and explore and start unlocking your online earning potentials today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you when you see me. Peace.